All right, so today I'm going to show you how to really quickly add multiple assets from Marketplace into a rig inside of Roblox Studio. So we're going to download this plugin here, Bulk Marketplace Importer, and you'll find this in plugins once you download it. And so this is what it looks like here. And so there's two different things that you can do with this plugin. One is if we go down here to Avatar Wearables Import, I can type in a player username and scroll down here, snap to selected part on, and I can click import worn items, and there we go. Now the items that that player is wearing are added into this rig inside of Roblox Studio. And then another thing that we can do with this plugin is, let's get rid of our player name here. We can actually paste in these asset IDs here into manual asset import. You can either separate it by spaces, commas, or line breaks. So we'll paste it in like that, and we can scroll down. Again, we'll snap it to our selected part, and we'll click import typed IDs. There we go. Now we have this shirt and pants that have been added from these asset IDs here. So this is a really helpful tool if you're trying to add like clothes and accessories to rigs, mannequins, characters, anything inside of Roblox Studio. Maybe you're building a home store or just honestly anything. It just speeds up the process. So yeah, super easy, just this plugin here.